So we're in primal squat, or the Asian squat. The Asians are absolutely fabulous at this. We're in triple flexion with the ankle, the knees and the hips. You want to be in this position, and you can hold a conversation for minutes at a time with a friend as the friend's walking around. And this is where you build your squat. You will build your squat technique from the bottom up. You'll see so many people in leisure centres who have never squatted before. This, by the way, this is known as the hole in powerlifting. You're in the hole if you're at the bottom. If you're going to fail on a squat, this is where you'll fail, and that's why you want to start in this position. Everything, all your success will start from this position. The Asian squat, the primal squat, a few names for it. And then you'll practice this, well, the students here practice this every day, depending on how flexible they are in the beginning, because this requires flexibility and the hips have got to be active to do this. But as you can see, this is the basis of that squat move. This forms the base of it. And if you can't do this, it just doesn't make sense, does it? All those people in leisure centres who are going to put a massive weight across the shoulders and cave in the hole in this position. You want to be comfortable, firm, and know exactly, have the confidence in this position. And then after you can hold conversations in this position, when you're flexible enough, the feet are in plantar flexion. I've got no problem with the knees, and as you can see, I've been holding a conversation. And we also do an exercise on the lat machine to just move the sacroiliac joint in the bottom of the hips to allow this position a bit more, to be a bit more comfortable, if that makes sense. And then you go from this to having a piece of wood on your shoulders to get you like more comfortable before we introduce squatting techniques of, I know you've got to keep the chest up and everything. Before you do all those techniques, this is the birth of the squat. Before you get into any of the techniques, where the bar is going to go on the lower trapezius and all that stuff, foot placement, before all that, right? This is the genesis, the beginning of the squat, right? When you learn this system from the bottom up, it will never bother you dropping into the hole. You'll always be confident in the hole as you're squatting. I hope that helps you. Look out for more videos soon.